how to create an effect like this on your product. It is very simple. Follow me and I will teach you how. First is open your Canva and prepare a blank template. Then upload the video that you are going to use. Okay, I'll be using this one, and then all you have to do is adjust, make it bigger, a bit bigger. We'll just make it a bit bigger. Okay, there. If you're satisfied with the size of your product, then the next thing that we need to do is to duplicate the video. So there are two ways to duplicate. Just click Ctrl D, or you can just use this one, right click and then hit on this duplicate. Okay. And then next is you have to remove the background of the second video that you put in. So if you're using Pro, all you have to do is just click this video remover. But if you're not using Pro, then you can use other application to remove the background of the video. So since I'm using a Pro version of Canva, I'll just click on this one, video remover, to remove the background of the second video that we put in. Now after doing that, let's put in a text. Okay, max out. Okay, let's make this font bigger. Now let's change the font to Anton. Okay, and then let's make it a bit bigger, like this one. And then duplicate the text. And then after you click on duplicate, click on effect, and then select the hollow effect, and then go to layer. All you have to do is right click and then hit layer, and then click on show layer. And this one, okay, this part you just have to move it in between the two max out text, and you will have something like this one. Okay, so that's it. Now if you're satisfied with your project, all you have to do is click on download, hit the share button on the upper right, and then hit on download, and just make sure that you select the current page and then done. Let's wait for the video to be downloaded, and let's see the finished product. And here's your finished product. So if you enjoy this video and you want to know more tutorials, Canva tutorials, just subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for you to receive notification. Okay, so that's it, and we will see you on our next tutorial. Bye!